from the bench of Dr. Zaveer Mota. I am thankful to the Help Library also. Today's topic is ankylosing spondylitis, a solution, Dr. Zaveer Mota therapy. We will be discussing what is ankylosing spondylitis. Basically, in ankylosing spondylitis, there is first inflammation of the synovial membrane. After that, there is destruction in the bony cartilage. Then after that, there is continuous destruction. There can also be a bony erosion. After bony erosion, there is fibrosis. Fibrosis means वो भाग कड़क हो जाता है. And therefore, in the symptoms of ankylosing spondylitis, we have stiffness, because all this pathology happens into the bony structures. There is pain, swelling, stiffness, inability to walk straight. The patient may have slightly bending forward from neck to the back. All the joints may or may not be affected. Any of the joints are affected, and mostly in these patients, male are more affected than the female. In these patients, basically, HLA-B27 is positive, ESR may be high due to some infection, immunity level may be low, and hemoglobin also will be low. Now, basically, I would like to discuss in this that what are the foods, your lifestyle, your attitude, that is more important. So we would divide the whole part into psychology, diet, and treatment. In treatment would be exercises which were practiced by Zaveer Mota and which gave very good results. And treatment is basically online and also in the clinic. Can ankylosing spondylitis be cured completely? It will depend upon the age, whether the patient has sugar, and how much work the patient himself or herself is giving time to the body and doing it. It is your commitment to your body. If you have a proper commitment to your body, definitely you can win over the diseases. Now coming to the psychological factor, which no orthopedic doctor will look into. The psychological part is anger management. The result is you need to do pranayam. Pranayam of Guru Dheeraj Ji, all is given in YouTube. Anger management, take deep breathing, backward counting, drinking water. Hurt feeling, you need to forgive. Resentment, worry, don't look at the past, don't look at the future, look in the present. Another is anxiety, write down everything and make notes. This is all. And another thing is fear. Fear, you need to face the fear and give yourself positive affirmations. Another thing that is important is you need to love yourself, bless yourself, and accept yourself. This is all about the psychological part. Now coming to the diet part, very important. Ankylosing spondylitis can happen from 18 to 60 years of age to anyone. Now, your approach, your attitude, your lifestyle, your eating habits, your profession, from which country you are coming, all this is important, and what food you are eating. Your basically in the morning you need to have a glass of hot water, what Sadhguru says, and put neem leaves in that and tulsi leaves with jaggery or honey. So that will raise the immunity of the body. That is one. Second, take green tea. Number 3, take dry fruits. Badam, khajur, anjeer, kali draksh, kaju, everything. In lunch, in breakfast, take lot of mixed fruits. Mixed fruits will help a lot to make your inner metabolism very strong. In the afternoon, what will you take? Take nachni ka roti. That will contain a lot of calcium. Dahi, either moong, green moong ka dal, yellow moong ka dal, or you can take tuer ka dal. Take bhaji. All sorts of bhaji are very good, especially green leafy vegetables. And take rice. You can take even sprouted and salad. My request to you is that when you are eating food, don't eat newspaper, don't see TV, don't read newspapers, or don't talk. Concentrate and enjoy the food that you are eating. What is very important is in the evening time you may have gur chana or kurmura or upma poha. In the night you can take millets. Millets of Dr. Khadarwali. In YouTube all details are given. I am mentioning to you everything in proper details without hiding. So you, any person watching this video, may implement everything. I have experimented all this, my dear friends, in my life, and I have changed my life. I want to quote my own example. I was told to do surgery for 2 problems, having high calcium and stone. I would like to say my parathyroid levels were above 500. My calcium levels were high. With change of diet and change of mindset, they are normal. I have not done any surgery. I am myself an example of this. So, I tell you and request you to implement whatever is told. All this is used in a number of patients, and with experience, this combination is being given to you. In food, what is very important is you can take a glass of milk with haldi and honey. That will also help to reduce the inflammation in the joints. 1 glass of hot water with ajwain or adrak, grated adrak, if you take, that will help to reduce. It is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It will help to reduce the inflammation in the joints, pain in the joints. That is very good. Another thing is you can take pumpkin juice, make a soup out of it, and put grated coconut milk into it. Put a little salt, jeera, black pepper and take that as a soup. It is very good for joint pains. My dear friends, you can also use the long singhi that comes. It is very good for joint problems. See that you consume a lot of water and you do not have any acidity. You do not consume cigarettes, alcohol. Give proper rest to your body and have a proper mindset. If you are at work, see that you work for some time, take rest for some time. And another very important thing is that if you look at the sky, the open sky, the energy levels of the sky will come into your system. Your energy levels will change. Okay, friends, now we'll be doing the second part only on exercises. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe and share to as many people as you can to help humanity. Thank you very much.
Help Talks are daily health-related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.